Don't pay for Seedance 2.0 AI, because today I'll show you the only legal way to use it 100% free and unlimited. Everything you just watched, those stunning Ultra HD cinematic AI videos with realistic motion, movie quality camera shots, and Hollywood-level visuals, were created using 100% free Seedance 2.0 AI. And the best part? I'll show you the only legal workflow I use, step by step, so you can start creating professional AI videos without paying for expensive subscriptions. But there's one important catch. This method only works when you follow my exact steps from start to finish. So don't skip anything, because every step matters. As you saw, I searched for Dola AI and opened it. At first glance, the interface looks incredibly simple, but don't let that fool you. Behind this clean design is one of the most powerful AI tools you can use completely free right now. It's also available for both Android and iPhone. And as you can see on the Play Store, it has over 100 million downloads with an impressive 4.5-star rating. That's exactly why so many AI creators are using it, because it provides free access to Seedance 2.0, making it one of the best tools for creating cinematic AI videos without paying for any subscriptions. And I'll show you how to use it unlimited with absolutely zero cost. I'll also show you how to use this tool on both mobile phones and Windows. As you saw, I clicked on the install button, and within a minute it was installed. On Windows, once you open the tool, the first step is to log in. So I'll click on Login, and as you can see, we have several login options, including phone number, Google, Facebook, and Apple. Sign in with Google is the fastest and easiest option. As you saw, I clicked on the Google option, selected my Google account, and then clicked Continue. Within a few seconds, you'll see an option to confirm your age. Simply click Confirm, and that's it. We're now successfully logged in to Dola AI. And the login process on Android is exactly the same. As you saw, I opened the app and clicked on Continue with Google. Next, I selected my Google account, confirmed my age, and that's it. We're now successfully logged in on Android too. Okay, now we're logged in on Windows. As you can see, there's no credit counter and no subscription to pay. Here you'll find several options, including Fast and Pro models, writing, create image, translate, homework, and most importantly, if you click on the More button, you'll see the Create Video option. But first, I'll generate an image. So I'll click on Create Image, then select the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is perfect for YouTube videos. You can also choose from the different styles and ready-made templates already available in this tool. Next, I'll copy the text prompt that I generated using Claude AI, paste it into the Dola AI prompt box, and then click on the Generate button. Within a few seconds, Dola AI generated 4 different image variations from the prompt we provided. But to be honest with you, I'd say the results are just average. Okay, now to bring any of these images to life, simply choose the image and click Add as Reference. After that, in the prompt section, I'll deselect the Create Image option that we selected earlier. Then click on More and choose Create Video. Next, make sure to select Seedance 2.0, set the duration to 10 seconds, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, and then click Submit. As you can see, we're now using the Seedance 2.0 model, and it will use 2 points to generate the video in about 1 to 3 minutes. Right now, we only have 4 points remaining, which means we can generate just 2 more videos today. But don't worry, that's only if you follow the normal method. Later in this video, I'll show you the exact method to generate Seedance 2.0 videos without running out of points. And after waiting just 1 to 2 minutes, the video is ready. Let's watch it. The cinematic quality, realistic motion, and sound design are genuinely impressive. Okay, now we've generated a video from an image, but to be honest, those images weren't very impressive. So next, I'll use an image that I already generated with Nano Banana. In my opinion, Nano Banana plus Seedance 2.0 is one of the best combinations for creating cinematic AI videos. Now, to bring any image to life, click on Reference Image, then select the image you want to animate. After uploading the image, I'll paste my prompt, select the 16:9 aspect ratio, and then click on the Generate button. Okay, now you can see we've got an amazing result using this method. Let's play the video. As you can see, the video looks absolutely stunning. The cinematic quality, realistic motion, and smooth animation make it look incredibly impressive. Okay, I generated this video, but there's one important thing you should know. When I first submitted this image with my original prompt, I kept getting an error because at the moment, this tool doesn't generate videos reliably with real human faces. However, I found a simple workaround. I changed the prompt to just slow motion, submitted it again, and this time the video was generated successfully. So if you ever run into the same issue, just replace your prompt with slow motion and try again. In most cases, that should solve the problem. Okay, now we've generated videos from images. Next, I'll use this tool to generate a video from text. Again, make sure to select Seedance 2.0, set the duration to 10 seconds, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, then paste your final prompt and click on the Generate button. It will take a few minutes to generate the video. Now, if I open the Dola AI app on my smartphone, you'll notice there's no direct option to generate images or videos. Instead, click on the AI Creation button. Here, you'll find both the image and video options, along with the reference image feature if you want to bring any image to life. For now, I'll switch to the video option, select the Seedance 2.0 model, choose the 4:3 aspect ratio, which is perfect for mobile viewing, set the duration to 10 seconds, and then click on the Generate button. On my PC, Dola AI generated an amazing video of a mother with her baby eating food. As you can see, the video looks absolutely stunning. The realistic motion, cinematic quality, and natural sound effects make it feel surprisingly lifelike. Okay, now as you can see, we've reached the Dola AI video generation limit. To continue generating unlimited Seedance 2.0 videos, we'll first need to create an account on the Google Skills platform. As you saw, I searched for Google Skills, clicked on the first link, and landed on the homepage. The first step is to join the platform, so I'll click on the Join button, then select Continue with Google. Next, I'll enter my date of birth and click on the Accept button. If a QR code appears for human verification, simply scan it using your smartphone's camera and you'll be logged in instantly. After logging in, you'll see an option to join Google Gear. I'll click on the Join button, choose one of my Google accounts, and then click Continue. Next, you'll see another page where you'll need to fill in a few details. Add your experience, enter your address, then select Student. Once everything is filled out correctly, click on the Join button. As you can see, I already have an account, so I was automatically signed in. The sign-up process will be exactly the same as the one I just showed you. After logging in, click on the Catalog button and search for Design Prompt in Agent Platform. Then click on the first lab result. On the next page, click the Start button and complete the human verification. When the next window appears, click Launch with 1 credit. It will take about 4 to 5 minutes to generate your login details. Okay, now as you can see, Google Skills has generated the login details, your username and password. Now go to Chrome, open a new incognito tab, search for Dola AI, and open the first link. Once the platform loads, click on the Login button. On the next screen, click Google. Now copy the username from Google Skills and paste it into the email field, then click Next. Go back to Google Skills, copy the password, paste it into the password field, and click Next again. Next, click I understand, then click Continue, confirm your age, and that's it. We're now logged in to a fresh Dola AI account. Now I'll use this account to create an amazing animated video using storyboard images. In my experience, Seedance 2.0 delivers incredible results when generating videos from storyboards. This is the storyboard you're seeing on the screen right now. I generated it earlier using Claude and ChatGPT. The first step is to upload the storyboard to Dola AI. After that, I'll copy the story prompt from Claude, paste it into the Dola AI prompt box, click on More, and then select Create Video. Finally, I'll review all the settings to make sure everything is correct, then click on the Generate button. Within a few minutes, the video is ready. Let's watch it. As you can see, the result is absolutely amazing. The character consistency, cinematic quality, realistic motion, and sound design are all incredibly impressive. Now, if your limit is over again, simply go back to Google Skills, click End, then end lab, and start the lab again. It will generate a new set of login credentials, allowing you to sign into a fresh Dola AI account and continue generating more Seedance 2.0 videos. If you learned something new from this video, please hit the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It truly means the world to me.